Microsoft's Power Automate. When you come to make.microsoftpowerautomate.com, as you can see here, I'm going to click on create. This will be an automated cloud flow. Then the trigger will be when an item is created. Here we're going to call it newcomer automation. So let's say email automation, and then we're going to click on create. So as soon as we do that, we click on this, asking for the site address, PK site, the site name, the list name will be newcomer data that we use. Then after we've gotten there, we're going to click on add an action. We're going to click on get. Let's do something like so we're going to click on get items. So it's going to get items from the PK site. Then I'm also going to get items from the. So usually when you have created this, you have a trigger already with Power Automate. This is just basically a trigger. You are just setting where Power App will keep an eye on for changes. So that will happen, yes, but then what do you want to happen after that? And then what you want to do is to get items. So once you've gotten items, you're going to now click action to send. Let's just type email. So it gives you a list of items. You can send an email notification. You can just click on this, and then it gives you a little overview about the connection itself. It's supposed to do that. So you click on, you cancel this. You also take this out, just to show an example. Then we click on add an action, email. Let's use send an email v2. Let's see more. Obviously, send an email v2. And then we're going to use dynamic content within this to send an email. So who are we sending it to? So you see that you might have an issue with this as well. You can't see where dynamic content is. So you see this little button here. You click on switch to advanced mode. When you click on this is the option for the dynamic content, and this is the one for your formula, your expressions. You're going to click on this. Go to send to email address. This is saying for each. Let's delete this. Also have to going to delete this. Meant to use get item, not get items. Get item. Just go to see more. You can see as we go down, get items should be one for get an item singular. So we're going to PK site, the list name is going to be newcomer data, the ID is going to be dynamically imputed. So we're going to use this. So this is the ID that is gotten from the trigger itself. So it is automatically created and you impute it here. So it's going to get the details of what's within the ID. And then we're going to click on next, and then we're going to click on mail. So that way we are not going to do for each. If we use get items, we're going to do for each and every item that is on the list. So we're going to click on see more, send an email v2, and then you still have this. Click on switch to advanced mode, click on this, click on So you can click on email address, and you see we don't have for each there. So subject is going to be welcome to our church. Then the body is going to be hello. We're going to impute first name. We are glad you fellowship with us today. May the Lord bless you. And then once you have done that, you can save your automation, and then you can test it. Click on test. Click on test the flow manually. So to see it now, to see it work, you're going to go back to the app, and then you're going to perform. So this is going to be, I'm just going to clear this, of course. For instance, and then it's going to be, then I'm going to submit. Then we're going to see it's created and added to SharePoint list, and let's see if this works. So we're going to wait for this. If it has added successfully to our SharePoint, you're going to see it appear here. This is going to stop working. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time, and then you see that it runs successfully. So I'm going to check my email. So you can also do that for phone numbers as well. Just to add, if you drop in the comment section whether you want me to do that for phone numbers, I'm going to see that I do that for mobile phone numbers. So let me quickly see if I can get, so that I can show you that it worked. So this is it, basically trying to get this to see that it worked. So that's it mostly, and basically for the power automation part, that you can see the email. Welcome to church. Hello, Panshak. Glad you fellowship with us today. And then that's it. So that's it. Goodbye, and see you some other time.